Subject design of structures, chapter design of columns, topic numerical on design of circular columns. So students, now in this lecture I will be solving another numerical on the topic of circular column. So we have already understood the concept of circular column, the IS code provisions, and the most important thing is, which I have already told you, that the moment carrying capacity and the load carrying capacity of a circular column is 5% higher as compared to the normal column. Simple, right? So the question is on the same topic, so it's same concept, right? The question is the ultimate load carrying capacity, it means it is PU, right? Capacity of a circular column section of 400 mm diameter. I have not written diameter, I have just written 5 means diameter, right? 400 mm diameter with helical reinforcement using 2% of reinforcement. 2% of reinforcement has to be used. M25 and Fe 415 steel is, so we have to get the answer in kilonewton. We have to get the answer in kilonewton, right? So solution is very simple. So let me first of all write down the formula. So solution is the formula for a circular column, because it is 5% higher. So we know that PU is equals to 1.05 0.4 FCK into area of concrete plus 0.67 into Fy into area of steel. And we also know that the total area, gross area, is equal to the area of concrete plus the area of steel. Simple. These are the two formulas that I know. The formula number 1 and formula number 2. Simple, right? Now in question, what is given to me? FCK is given to me. Area of concrete. Is area of concrete given to me? No, area of concrete is not given to me, but I can determine the gross area because the diameter of the column is given to me. So I can determine the gross area, right? So the next thing is AC I will determine. AST is 2% of the area, right? So let me first of all determine AG. So AG will be equal to pi by 4 into diameter of column, which is 400 mm. So 400 square. So this will come out to be in mm square. It will come out to be, let me calculate. So it will be 3.14 divided by 4 into 400 square. It comes out to be 125600 mm square. It comes out to be 125600 mm square. Again I am repeating, I am doing calculation with this calculator. Use your calculator, either online calculator, or you can find your gate calculator on Google Play Store, right? You will not find it on Apple iPhone store, but if you are using iPhone, then you have to open Chrome and type scientific calculator, go for gate. You will get a TCS iron link, and click on the link, you will get the gate calculator, right? So 125600 mm square gross area. Now concrete area I have determined. Now let me determine AST also. I know that in question it is given AST is equals to 2% of AG gross area, right? 2% of reinforcement. It means that 2% of the reinforcement as with respect to the gross area, the area of the column, right? So it will be equal to 2 divided by 100. How much is gross area? 125600. So how much it is coming? Let me multiply this with, let me multiply this with 0.02. So I will be getting, let me calculate it, how much it is getting into 0.02. So it comes out to be 2512. So 2512 mm square is the area of steel which I am getting, right? If I have got area of gross area and area of steel, can I get the area of concrete? Yes, very simple. Just subtract. I know that from this equation. So from this equation we have 125600. 125600 is equals to area of concrete plus area of steel, that is 2512. 2512. So let me subtract it. I will get AC as minus 125600. 125600. It comes out to be 123088, right? 123088 mm square. 123088 mm square. Now it is just a cakewalk. Just put in the formula, you will get the answer. Let me rub this. And what is needed? This is not needed now. AST I have already determined. So let me rub this. Let me rub this. Right. So let me rub this. Area of gross area is also not required. What will be required? Area of steel will be required. So area of steel is this much, right? Now let me rub this and solve this numerical, right? So TU will be equal to 1.05 times 0.4. FCK is how much? 25, not 20, 25 into area of concrete. How much it is? 123088. 123088 plus 0.67. 0.67. Fy is how much? 415. And into area of steel is how much? 2512. 2512. But we have to get the answer in, you can say kilonewtons. It will be Newton divided by 1000 also. So it will be in kilonewton. So let me calculate how much it is coming. So it will come out to be 0.4 into 25 into 123088, this much, plus 0.67 into 415 into 2512 multiplied by 1.05 and let me divide it by 1000. So I am getting 2025.80. I hope everybody is getting the same answer. The answer which I am getting is 2025.80 kilonewton. 2025.80 kilonewton. So which one has the nearest value? 2025.80. So which one has the nearest value? 2025, right? So I feel that let me calculate once again whether I have done some mistake or not. So let me check it. 0.4 into 25, okay, into this is 123088, okay, plus 0.67 into 415 into 2512, right, into 1.05 and divide by 1000. So students, I just checked it while writing the question. I wrote wrong, you can say wrong options, right? So that is why I was thinking whether I have done some calculation mistakes or not. There was no calculation mistake. So it is 2025.80. So the correct answer is nearest to this option, option number B, that is 2026. So actually I wrote your wrong options, right? Of the previous question I wrote the options actually, right? So I hope that you have understood the case of your circular columns also. And I hope that even if a single question comes from this topic, the circular columns as well as the normal column, you will be able to answer. Now let us see in the next subsequent videos, lectures, what are the types of questions that have been asked in GATE examinations in previous years. And I am sure that whatever I have taught you, you will be able to solve each and every question. Right? You will not be able to, you can say, get confused. You will not get confused. What if you revise whatever I have taught you till now in circular columns and as well as the normal columns. Clear? So let's meet at the next videos and solve some previous year numericals. Thank you.